Yes, Harper.
And then, what do you want to start with?
The nostrils.
Okay.
Tiny.
No, it's huge,
Oh,
like
yeah.
a pig. But not like huge like a pig. They look like mini eyes. They're so cute.
Yeah.
But it's actually nostrils.
This guy's not gonna get cried.
Their mouth. Mouth is in different. This looks like eyeballs with a mouth. Now we're going to draw the huge eyes.
It looks funny.
The same on the other side. Like the curve and another curve under it. After draw a tiny dot inside it. Oh, why is that a line? I said a tiny.
Oh, that'll do.
Oh, that looks like lipstick. No. Do you want to draw any teeth? Do you want to draw any teeth on it?
No,
I am. We're going to draw teeth to curve.
it looks weird.
Is it supposed to be?
Oh, it looks so cute actually. It looks so cute. It looks like it's a happy face and then little stuff are swimming to it like.
Wait, no. You know these look like eyes on the mouth. These two, these two are like you tied your hairs into two parts.
Yeah, and it even looks like fishes surrounding it.
Oh yeah, cute. Now let's go on with it. Do you want to draw any wrinkles on it?
Yes! The wrinkles are so funny.
Like this.
I'll just copy
And then
what I do. Yeah. Ooh.
And don't forget to draw this. Oh, my lip's angry. It still looks a bit angry.
These are all his wrinkles.
Now,
He's gonna have a very flat.
touch the end of the eye and stop here when you get to the
From
nostril.
here.
Touch his eye. Never mind.
Yeah.
And then
Get a
from the other side, do the same thing. Oh, I didn't touch the eye. Oh no, never mind. It's like a heart-shaped guy. No, anyways, draw this and don't end it.
It looks weird.
Two things.
That looks funny. Wait, can I draw one eye in here? Like it's a double alien.
No.
Oh.
Fine. You can.
Actually,
if you want to.
No.
Oh, okay.
I called this.
Then starting from here, go like this, and when you get to this part, do a lump down, and then just do this. Oh! Looks like something is dripping down. It's melting.
Yours looks funny too.
And then you and here, get your shoulders like a curve.
Yeah, a big one.
And it can't be like this. It has to be like curved insides. Yeah, yeah. Oh, they look like mini arms.
But I feel like I can't fit my legs and stuff. Yeah,
And then stop here
it looks weird.
and do the other side like this. Okay, now do this one. No. Draw the fingers just like curves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now that's 5 fingers.
What did you do without me?
Look, there's a bit of muscles.
I'm just gonna do 4 because it's an alien.
Yeah. And now you have to draw a little bit of its fat. Oh, that looks fat.
What do we do with this R? What do we do
Just wait there. Okay? Now,
Whoa! Stop!
here, draw some
I need to see.
ovals.
What is that?
The fingers. Don't say.
I thought it was a poo-poo. Plodding on. 1, 2, 3, 4.
I'm going to make the nose a bit more bigger.
I'll make mine bigger too.
Now,
Can I do it sticking his tongue?
yeah. Okay. Now time to draw the lines here. You have to draw this down and
Oh, it looks like the sad face on it.
and then draw some of these.
Just gonna do this.
Okay. Now time to draw the most greatest part of line down. 1, 2. 1, 2. Ta-da! 6 parks.
One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 packs!
No. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
12 packs? Oh, strong, muscly guy.
Now here we are going to draw the lemonade. We also
I'm gonna
have
do
to
cucumber.
this,
Oh, I should have drawn
this,
cucumbers on his eyes.
these, and these, and these.
So, wait, shall I do the biggest one? Like, la 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 la.
You can do it into his mouth. You can do the straw into his mouth. Don't straw into his mouth.
So next, lemon.
Okay, now you have to draw.
Wait, can I like burp like he's burping?
Okay.
Because he's opening his mouth when he's supposed to shut it.
His straw is like this. His straw is curly. Look.
Burp.
Okay, now time to draw his big fat thing.
You mean his legs?
His big fat pants.
Oh yeah, the fans. I think the legs have to be so small. His legs are so tiny. Look at his legs. Look at his legs. Oh, 1, 2, 3.
Oh my gosh.
1, 2,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh. What is it for?
Yeah, nice. This guy has 3 legs.
2, 3, 4.
Mine looks funnier than
5.
yours. Let's do patterns on the pants, yeah? Yeah.
For later.
No. Oh my gosh.
Okay, fine.
Mine doesn't even have knees. Only 1 knee. Gonna make him extra special pants. square panties. Wait, why didn't we do the square panties, not the normal panties like that?
Never mind. Just draw it. Hey, don't blow into your lids. Okay, now
Lips.
we are going to put this away and do the big part, the green part. Colour it in. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time. Bye.